Okay, time to take a look at the FOREVTL Rivet Gun. That's actually a pretty cool case. I don't normally see them that are smoked black like that. So I got a nice assortment of rivets, and they are all separated, so I like seeing that. Oh, cool. So this one actually has a container to catch those ends. So whenever you pop these, what it's going to do is it's going to grab onto this nail and it's going to pull on it. It's going to force this ball through the rivet and squeeze that out. But then this has to go somewhere, and instead of having to catch those yourself or like pick them up off the floor, this actually has a little container for them. So that is very neat. We do have instructions. We have our different size tips for the different size rivets, so we can just take them out and then insert them into the end. So it's nice having that area for storage so you don't have to worry about where to put them. They also have those rubber rings on there so you can easily identify which one it is. So we got green and red. It's like a yellow and a blue. And the one that came installed was a gray. We do have some nice rubber handles on here, which is great because we're going to be putting a lot of force on this. You don't have to worry about that thing hurting your hands. We got a handy chart on here. I want to use the 4mm. So that says to use a 4.1 to 4.2mm drill. And that is going to be the 5/32 tip. So that is the blue. So yeah, that is a pretty awesome set, and this is very easy to pull these rivets with, so that is nice.